We will learn to find the difference between two numbers. Today, you're going to generate or get your own numbers to find the difference. We can do this in two different ways. I have put a link on here for virtual dice. You can certainly click on that. It's going to give you the option of the dice that goes up to 6. I want you to click and make that go away. Then click on the 10 twice so that you have two dice that go up to 10. They're kind of fun, I think. Then you're going to roll the dice. You can roll it as many times as you want. It's kind of fun to roll it. All right, so I have rolled a 6 and a 9. That means my greatest number is 9 and my least number is 6. Then I'm going to build an equation to find the difference. Now, if your virtual dice aren't working, you can always get a deck of cards and take out all of the picture cards, or you can make these higher numbers than 10 if you'd like. Then you pick two cards. I picked a 10 and I picked a 7. So 10 is my greater number and 7 is my lesser number. This is another way you can generate or get your own numbers. Okay. Then we're going to build a model using either virtual manipulatives or the Unifix cubes that we sent home with each of you at the beginning of distance learning. So I'm going to choose to use my virtual manipulatives to show you that I just click on that. Remember, you have to say Adobe is fine and you're going to allow it. Now I'm going to choose a manipulative. I like the connecting cubes, although if you picked counters, that would work too. So I'm going to click back here. What was my first set of numbers? Oh, that's right, 9 and 6. I want to find the difference between the two. So I'm going to build a train of 9 first. We call these trains. You could certainly call them a group of 9s, whatever you'd like. So I've got, connect them, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to make a group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when I want to find the difference, it means I'm comparing the two amounts. When I compare, I put them side by side and I find out how many extras the large one has. So I'm really using subtraction. So I'm going to match these up and find the extras over here. So it's like if I had 6 of the 9 match up with the 6 down here. 9 had 3 extras. In fact, I'm going to actually take them off of here to show you. This is equal. But when I take the 6 out of the 9, I have 3 left. So that's my equation. It's going to be 9 minus 6 equals, how many were left? That's right, 3. Oh, I have this over here. So the difference is 3. I'm going to include the equal sign because up here it says equation. And I have to actually say what that equation is. So down here, I'm going to have 10 of my train built minus 7 to match up equals how many? So you can use your virtual manipulatives or you can use the Unifix cubes that we sent home with you at the beginning of distance learning. And remember, I always include a slide that has our tens frames right here with your counters that you could also use. I chose not to use my tens frame today simply to show you a different way that we could solve. Okay, so up here you would build 10. The other thing you can do is I have my magnetic counters here. I could also build a train with counters. Remember, we will find the difference between the two numbers.